Environment Canada has issued a severe weather bulletin for New Brunswick at 4:02 p.m. Atlantic Daylight Time, Wednesday, July 3rd, 2019. A heat warning is issued for Sussex, Kennebecasis Valley, and Kings County. A heat warning is issued